Let's talk about showing up on time for work. Professionalism starts before the workday begins. Showing up on time is part of the job. Technical skills matter, whether you're installing systems, troubleshooting problems, programming panels, performing inspections. Your knowledge makes you valuable. Professionalism matters. Your dependability makes you trusted. Professionalism starts before you ever pick up a tool. Your crew should know they can count on you every day. When I entered this trade, things were different. Yes, that's the old man talking. No cell phones, no GPS, no texting. If I was running late, my lead often had no way of knowing where I was. I worried about that because I knew someone was waiting on me. Today, every technician carries a phone. Communication has never been easier. Communication matters. If you're running late, call, send a text, give an honest ETA. Don't just make something up. Your lead isn't looking for excuses. They're trying to keep the day moving. Your crew is counting on you. When one technician is late, work gets delayed, plans change, materials wait, testing gets pushed back. The entire crew feels the impact. Being dependable is part of being a professional. Respect your crew. Showing up on time tells your team, you can count on me. I respect your time. I'm ready to work. Your reputation is built long before anyone sees your technical skills. Every morning counts. Every morning you build your reputation. Your reputation isn't built on one big day. It's built one day at a time. Build your reputation. Your reputation is built by hundreds of small decisions. Showing up on time, being prepared, keeping your word, helping your crew, doing quality work. Those habits build trust. Trusted technicians earn more opportunities. Build good habits. Occasional delays happen. But if you're late repeatedly, don't look for better excuses. Fix the habit. Leave earlier, plan ahead, respect your crew. The standard. Every company needs technicians who are dependable. Technical skills can be taught. Dependability is a choice you make every workday. Remember, your knowledge makes you valuable. Your dependability earns trust. Be the technician your crew can count on. People remember the technician who solves the tough problems. They also remember the technician who shows up every morning ready to work. Be both of them.